you can update your credit card information from within your Squarespace account at any time. Every Squarespace site has its own payment method on file, and that card is charged for all attached subscriptions, like domains or Google Workspace. If you manage multiple sites or certain domain names, you'll have to update their billing information separately. To update a website's billing information, log in via squarespace.com. Or if you're logged in already, click your profile icon. Either method will open the account dashboard. Locate the site in question on the list, click the three-dot menu, then click Billing. Click Payment Information. Next to Payment Method, click Edit. Update your credit card details, then click Save Payment Method. Some domain names may not be associated with a Squarespace site. These include domains that have migrated from Google Domains. To update these domains' billing information, click Domains on the account dashboard. Click the domain in question, then click Billing. Next to Payment Method, click Edit. Update your credit card details, then click Save Payment Method. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.